Welcome back, guys. This time around, let's talk about automation, like on Zoho campaigns. So I'm going to try to check the automation, and here you are going to create a workflow. Like you can build advanced workflow using a drag and drop editor. You can create your first workflow. So all I have to do is to create a workflow. You can use this add button to do that as well. You can create a workflow, create an email campaign, create an SMS campaign, create a new mailing list, create a new contact, create a sign up form, create a sync page, create a campaign template, create a user, create a role based settings, something like that. Then now we have a workflow. Like the workflow is the sales funnel, automating a sales funnel, like maybe from where you welcome the person to when you sell a product or sell yourself to the person. And you see different templates right here. It says welcome and onboarding, and when you check the welcome and onboarding, you check the 10-day welcome series, you get the nurture series, and you get the customer way back, and you can check any of these templates to like do whatever you want to do. But right now, let's just use a sample. Let's use this particular sample, the welcome and onboarding. So we're going to use this template, and you can preview the templates or use the templates. So having to check these templates, you can create a workflow for your email campaign or for the campaigns you're going to send over. You can create a like workflow, and here is the workflow right here. You can start from and right now you just create a form. We don't have any sign up form. This workflow will be triggered when a contact sign up over the form you select. For instance, this is automation at play. You can automate whatever you want to do. This is a way you can make money as well by automating like flows, email flows. So now you can create a sign up form or any sign up form. This workflow will be triggered when the contact signs up over the form you select. So let's say we choose any sign up form or specific sign up form. If we add forms we've created in the past, we can use it right here, or you can say any sign up form, and this is like your sign up form in general. If you have different sign up form in general, so we can save that. When you have a sign up form and someone initiated the form, the person, this will trigger the person, and this will be the next message the person will get. From this next message, this is the next thing the person will get, and from this is the next thing, and you'll be able to do this. So now the message could be in SMS, the message could be in email, and you can create a workflow right there. And right now you can activate it when you are done. You can activate the workflow, and or you can clone, you can download as image or save template. And these are the triggers, and the triggers has a different like trigger. This is the list entry, like when you enter a new list or enter a segment or date field, email action. So these are different like triggers, like things that will trigger this particular workflow. You can choose any of these. For those in e-commerce, chase follow-up can be the trigger, and yeah, your workflow will have a trigger and we have a process. The process will be the flow control, which is random split or merge, and the condition could be simple, multiple way, email activity, and yeah, we have the flow process. Then we have the actions. The actions could be send email or send SMS or perform an A or B test, and you can send a survey email actually, and you can add to list, remove from list, you can do a lot of things, and here you can push data or CRM action, create a task. So right now you can say send email will be the engagement for this. So right now you can have these, like you can add a subject, you can add sender, and you can create content. But take me to my canvas. We take us to the canvas where we are going to do all this easily, and this is Canva right here. This is the Canva right here, and it's going to be the engagement could be send email, and you can do a lot of things. So coming back here, we have the triggers, and say something, create a message for recipients who entered this workflow. So when a sign up form is clicked or is submitted, it's going to send this message you created. So you can automate this, and we can just create a message that would say welcome and wait 2 hours to do some other things. Right here you can check what you want to do. Wait time 2 hours, when to resume workflow. The wait time for the workflow for this to happen, maybe after the person clicked the sign up form, the wait time should be 2 hours if you want it to be 2 hours, and you can make it like a day if you want it to be a day by editing from here. And when you check here, here. This is configure. This says configure push to CRM. Then you can do other things like select accounts and no accounts per user, select module, no module as well. So this is like another thing entirely which we will not talk about in this like lesson, but right now I'm just showing you how you can like create an automation. And that way, have you ever like signed up to something and immediately you got an email from the person, so you can activate your automation, you can activate your workflow right here. That's how to perform automation here on Zoho campaigns. I hope to see you in my next video where we'll get to talk more about these things. I hope you understand this clearly, and I hope to see you in my next video. See you there.